Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily design Zoho Books Invoice custom template by HTML and CSS. So of course, first is head over to Zoho Books, and from here, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is just click on the settings icon, then just scroll down and under the customization section, click on PDF templates. So from here, we're currently on invoices templates. And from here, just select the specific template that you want to design. Say, for example, we're just going to design this standard template. And to proceed, just click on the edit button. And from there, you will be redirected from the template editor page where you get an access to the raw HTML and CSS code for the invoice design. You can customize each part by switching on the left panel. So once you're done with the design and customization, you can just head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!